Hello, hello, everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I got some lots in, and one of them was a jewelry lot, and another one was a belt buckle lot. Well, I got a few lots, but that was a couple of them. So I figured I would do a little unboxing with you guys and show you some of the buckles I got in because there's some really cool ones. And I love this one right here. This is one of them that I got. So you can let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, if you like any of them. But isn't she pretty? That's the first one. Oh, I think I'm going to have to plug my device in real quick, guys. Give me 1 second, and I'll show you some more. Let's make sure my device doesn't die on you. Okay, I think that's good. I think we're good now. No, I don't want to delete any print jobs. Okay. Alright, next up. Oh, this one's really nice too. So look at the butterfly, how pretty. With all the colorful enameling. I like that. And some of these could use a little cleaning, of course. This one's solid brass. Says Taiwan, and there's a number BP934, it looks like. But look how pretty. Isn't that pretty? I like that one. Let me move these bags out the way. Okay. So that's one I got. Let's see. Oh, I like this one too. This one has a really pretty green stone. I haven't had a chance to test it yet. I just got these in. So, maybe aventurine or, I don't know. It could even be jade. But I will have to test it and see. Really pretty. Very pretty. I don't know if y'all can see the green. See it? Really pretty. Okay, so that's the third one I got. Okay. Alright, I like this one. It's called, I believe it's a Siemens Cross. Solid brass. Super cool one. And let's see, it is marked 238 Taiwan. Super cool. Okay, let's see what else. So what you guys been up to today? Y'all been busy or working outside, doing some things, getting out and getting some sun? Look how beautiful. I love this one as well. That horse is just gorgeous. I love that black enameling. Really pretty. Great shape too. So we have that one. I'm going to move these over so we have some room here. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Scoot her over just a bit. Alright. So the next one we have... Oh, this one is so cool. I love that. That one is definitely brass. Yep, solid brass. 1978 Baron Buckle, 6117 Taiwan. It says on the back. Awesome one. Love that one too. I really like this lot. It is nice. And then the next one we have some geese. Very pretty. Flying. Taken off from the water, it looks like. And this one looks like it is brass. Really pretty. And then, let's see, next one I got. I like this one too, because I like seahorses. Really cool. I love the way they have the flowers around the outside. And that's the back of that one. Super cool. Make some more room. Okay. We have a few more to look at. And then we'll wrap this up. This one has looks like a sailing ship with the beautiful floral. I like that one as well. Wow. And then we have a horse. Super cool. I love horses. So we have those. Those are very pretty. Then, oh, this one is solid brass, 4029, Taiwan, ROC. BBB is the maker on this one, and it's gem, solid brass. Okay. And then, look at the fish, how beautiful, jumping out of the water. That is so pretty. I used to go fishing a lot as a little girl, so that's kind of nostalgic for me. What about you guys? Do you guys like fishing? And if you do, what kind of fish do you guys catch? My favorite fish to eat is salmon, but we don't catch salmon here. We catch like trout and redfish and bass and perch and stuff like that. Trout's really yummy. And also, like, you could take the redfish and bake it, or I think some people like to, I meant to say barbecue it. Put it on the barbecue and then eat it like that. This one is really pretty. It's the horseshoe, and it looks like you could add something, like put a picture or a stone into this one. Really cool. I like that. Okay. Got a couple more. A couple few is, what is a couple? A couple is 2. A few is 3 or more. So a couple few is like 2 plus 3 is 5. I'm just teasing. So this one I think is like a cougar. Really cool. I know I got a wonky sense of humor. Okay. And then we have another fish jumping out of water, but this one is like a silver color. Oh, and also this one has a man fishing in the background and trees in the background. Super cool. Okay, so that one's really nice. A little different from that one. Both very cool. Equally cool, to me anyway. Okay. Let's see if I can lay him down so we can get some more. The last couple here. We have the Alaskan moose drinking water, and you see the water dripping from his mouth. Super cool. Trees in the background. Really pretty scene. And it's marked 1041. 1041 on the back. Okay. And then for the last one, you guys, I have one more with a fish on it jumping out of the water. And really pretty. Little different scenario in the background. Look at the scales on him. You could see the details. The scales. So cool. And the drip, the puddling in the water. Really pretty. It's like artwork, these belt buckles. So pretty. And it says 980 on the back. And they're all in great vintage condition. Very pretty. So what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments. And if you can give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for always supporting me. And remember, you are awesome and special, every one of you. Bye-bye. See you live soon, guys.